All right, we're in the thick of it. I guess one of the positives of Hurricane Helene was a giant beech tree splitting in half, making the goats and the donkeys that you can't even see because it's so thick through here. They're over there somewhere. Big giant tree came down and the goats are chowing down. They're also eating, I think that one's a river birch. That bunch of different trees got knocked down when the beech tree came down, but I don't think that the goats could be any happier in here. Here's the big riverbank holder. Water when it floods up. When it just came up, came all the way up to here and goes back down. You can see all the, dried out sand and whatnot, deposits. Huge load of sand up there where it's a little bit lower. But yeah, started cracking when Debbie came through, and then Hurricane Helene came in and took out half the beech tree, but she will still stand. She was huge. It's hard to tell in the picture, but she's about 4 foot thick in the trunk, 4 foot diameter. I can try to put this wood chip here. That's my hand. It's huge. Well, yeah, this beech tree came down, took out some other trees, but yeah, the goats don't get much access to beech, and beech is really good this time of year. Same with hickory and other nut trees. The leaves are full of fats, high protein. It's really good for the goats that are pregnant. Yeah, this will feed them for a few days, I think.